Hey guys, my name is Sydney and welcome. So I have not posted a video in a long time, but today, as I'm sure you can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing and kind of like reviewing and just, giving you some information on the Nike Air Force One Sage Lows. So whenever I'm buying shoes, I typically like read the reviews and stuff to figure out the sizing, because I feel like sneakers sometimes just run like a little weird with sizing, and the reviews for this were so like weird. Like some people were saying true to size, some people were saying they were big, some people were saying they were so small. So I thought it'd be helpful to make a video, and I have another pair of sneakers on the way. I have a pair of Yeezys coming, so I'll probably do a video on those too, because it's been a while since I've done a sneaker video. So I also thought it would be helpful to compare these to normal Air Force Ones. So if I were to show you the box that these ones come in versus the actual Air Force One box, mine are a little beat up. This is a black box, obviously, versus the gray, if you were really curious. The color is platinum, violet, and white. So I had seen these shoes, they always come up my ads. I guess, my ads just always know what I like, but I kept seeing like a blush color or something, and it was suede. And it looked kind of similar to these, and I really liked them. But when I saw these ones, I knew I liked them more. So what I like about these versus the other is this is leather, not suede. I think suede's just hard to take care of. It gets dirty easily. It's hard to clean. This is easier to clean. But then it also has the Nike check outlined in white, which I like, and then right back here is white as well, and up here on the tongue. Oh, also I should say that these retailed for $100. So while it is like a purple, like a violet technically, it's very similar to a blush pink. And for the actual shape of the shoe, what I like about these and why I was attracted to them was because I feel like they're just like a little more feminine, because the sole is obviously more of a platform, and then the actual sneaker I think is a little bit more low rise. So I have my normal Air Force Ones here right now. Don't judge them, they're dirty, I need to clean them, I wear them all the time. So you can see the difference in the sole, and then you can see how they're a little lower as well. And I also like how they have this little thing, like I know the normal Air Force Ones have these too, obviously. You can really see how dirty they are close up. But I like this one, how it's like really monochromatic with like the laces and this. I don't know, I just love the way that looks. I know there's one where it's black on kind of a similar color, but I just think it looks so much better when it matches the laces, and the laces match like the actual shoe. All right, so for sizing, the sizing on these is very interesting. As I mentioned previously, like the reviews were all over the place. So in sneakers, typically, just in general, I'm a women's 9. I'm a normal women's 9. It's pretty much always my size. Like I don't have anything like weird with my sizing, like it's pretty normal and standard. To give you some reference, for men's, I'm typically a 7.5, so like Jordan's 7.5, Yeezys an 8 because they run smaller. So my size in normal Air Force Ones, I'm an 8.5, which I size down half a size, obviously. I'm not a 9 in these, which is kind of interesting because that never really happens. So I was kind of curious to see if it was going to go like similar with normal Air Force One sizing, or just not run so large. So when I ordered these from Nordstrom. I ordered both a 9 and a 9.5. And I thought the 9 would be plenty big because it tells you to order a half size up. So I didn't know if it meant like a half size up from like your Air Force One size or whatever. But the 9.5 is what I went with. The 9 was too small. My toes were like all the way at the top, and don't think I've ever owned a pair of shoes that are 9.5. This is the first one. And what I like about these shoes is that I've seen like some pretty cool colorways and designs on these. Not as many as, on normal Air Force Ones, but there are some cool ones out there. So now I'm going to just try them on and then show you how they look on the feet, just to get an idea. So here they are on the feet, and as you can see, I wore them with a white sock because it matches the soles and then the outline of the Nike check. And I think these are really easy to style too. I think there's a ton that you can do with it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have these shoes or end up buying them and like the sizing is weird, let me know like how off of your normal size it is, because I'm kind of just interested since I have read so many conflicting things. Also, if you would like to see more sneaker videos, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.